You find us at the Gladstone Pottery in Longton. This is the steam engine that powers all the heavy machinery in the Gladstone Pottery Sliphouse. The Sliphouse created the slip or liquid clay for producing slip casts, or prepared clay for creating flatware or hollowware. Stoke-on-Trent engineers created all kinds of specialist machines that were attached to the drive shaft from the steam engine. Let me take you through what looks like organised chaos. The first machine in the process was the mixing machine called the blunger. Different products had different recipes. Most potters in Staffordshire produced bone china that had 50% of bone ash mixed with 25% of china clay and 25% of china stone. One of the first hexagonal blunging machines were patented by the engineers William Bolton from Burslem. You can see here two William Bolton blunging machines still in use today by the Burgess and Lee Pottery at Middleport. After the mixing, the slip clay was kept stirred in a settling ark, which at Gladstone was beneath the floor. The next process was a form of sieving to remove any remaining lumps. Magnets were also on hand to remove iron, which could make red marks on the pottery. Finished or clean slip was stored in another ark before the process of dewatering, using a patented filter press to take the water out of the clay. The next process was the filter press, where liquid clay was pumped into cloth bags that were pressed between wooden or iron boards. The example filter press at Gladstone is small compared to the big machines at Middleport Pottery. These are no longer used but remain in situ as a memorial to the times gone by. Next to the filter press is the final process, the pugmill, where any remaining air in the clay is squeezed out. The pugmill created wads or sausages of clay for use in throwing, pressing, jiggering and jollying. Pallets of pre-prepared clay, or cakes, made to the factory's exact recipes are bought from an external supplier in by pallet for onward submission to the production departments.
Are they heavy? Can one person lift them?
Yeah, well, one wad, yes, we have to lift them. One wad's about 50.
One wad that has already come through a pugmill would weigh 15 to 16 kilos, and a pallet would weigh nearly 500 kilos.
I see these are transferred in the flat shop. And then
This takes place in one small pottery building, the Sliphouse, which you can visit for yourself as it's open to the public 5 days a week. This is how all commercial pottery or ceramics begin. Mixing, sieving, filtering and pugging. But it's only the start. The vast majority of creative work starts when the slip clay or solid clay is correctly prepared. Thanks to Stoke Museums for their championing of the Gladstone Pottery, and to Reform Heritage for the work they do at Middleport. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this clip, please click the like button and do subscribe for more videos on the potteries and their ceramic heritage.